There's nothing more bloody annoying than the video and the audio being out of sync on the Firestick. You could be watching Netflix, the lips are moving and the audio comes out about a second after.
I think you look beautiful. Bloody lip sync.
Super frustrating, but do not worry, because I am going to show you how to fix it. It's super easy. By the time I finish my breakfast, we'll be done. We're going to go through 3 different things to stop the audio and video being out of sync on the Amazon Firestick, and essentially these 3 things should fix it. So let's jump onto the Firestick and get this sorted. But first, hit subscribe. Bloody lovely. Right, let's fix the audio and video out of sync. It's nice and simple. All we're going to do is head on over to the settings tab. From here, we're going to go on over to display and audio. And then on this screen, we've got different options, but we're going to go down to audio. Then on this menu, simply go down to AV sync tuning. Now this is the screen where you're going to sync up the audio and visual. Basically, you're going to hear the beeping noise. Like that. And you want to line up the ball hitting the bar to the noise. So when the ball hits that bar, it should make that sound. If it doesn't, use left and right on the remote to line it up until it does. Then that sounds good to me. Once it sounds good, go on over and hit apply, and that's it. Your audio and video should be back in sync.
Official apps. Most people in the UK think that a TV license...
What a channel! If you're not subscribed to Lee TV, do it now. Now tip 2, what we can do is restart the Firestick. You can use the remote, but we're going to use the Firestick settings to do it. Head on over to the settings cog at the end, then we're going to go down to My Fire TV. Simply go down to restart, click OK and restart the Firestick. That should also fix your issue. If it doesn't, there's one more thing we can try. So step 3 will be head back on over to settings and down to applications. Then we're going to go down to manage applications. Now go down to the app that is out of sync. In our case, we'll use Netflix. On this screen, go down to clear cache. That should clear the cache and fix any issues on that app. Then once you've done that, go to force stop, which will close it, and then you can go to launch application, which will reopen it, and that should also fix your issue. 9 times out of 10, step 1 will fix the issue, but we've got 2 extra steps to try. If none of them work, you can also restart your router, and that should fix your problem with the video and audio being out of sync on the Amazon Firestick. See, told you, all done. It can be a pain, but bear in mind, it may also be the app or the service you're using. So if it does happen, go through step 1 and that should fix your issues. But if you found this video useful, hit subscribe and check out some of the videos on the channel. I've got loads lined up coming this month. So make sure you stick around and hit subscribe. But that's all for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one.